Did you know migraines aren't just bad headaches? They're actually your brain's way of begging for balance. Every year, over 1 billion people worldwide suffer from migraines. Yet, few realize what's really happening inside their bodies. If you've ever felt that pounding pain, light sensitivity, or nausea that seems to come from nowhere, your body might be sending you a very specific message, one that science is only now beginning to decode. Welcome to Did You Know Wellness, where we uncover the hidden truths your body's been trying to tell you. For decades, migraines were treated as simple headaches, something you just dull with medication and move on from. But new research reveals something astonishing. Migraines are not local events. They're full-body reactions, neurological, hormonal, and even emotional. In fact, your next migraine might not start in your head at all, but in your gut, your hormones, or your stress levels. Let's check out some hidden truths then. Migraines are what scientists now call neurological storms. Imagine billions of brain cells misfiring all at once, like a lightning storm inside your skull. The trigeminal nerve, which controls facial sensation, suddenly goes into overdrive. Inflammatory chemicals flood the brain. Blood vessels expand, pressing on pain fibers. And serotonin, your feel-good hormone, suddenly drops, leaving you more sensitive to pain and stress. But the pain itself is just the tip of the iceberg. Long before a migraine attack begins, your body sends early warnings. Cravings for sweets, neck stiffness, fatigue, mood swings, or that familiar sensitivity to light. These aren't coincidences. They're your brain trying to communicate. I'm overloaded. Please slow down. Migraines are not weakness. They're intelligent alarms from your body, and they mean something deeper is out of balance. So what exactly throws your brain into this storm? Let's look at 5 surprising culprits science is now uncovering. Number 1, the gut-brain axis. Did you know up to 70% of migraine sufferers also experience digestive issues? Your gut and brain are constantly talking through the vagus nerve. When your gut becomes inflamed from sugar, processed foods, or antibiotic damage, toxins can leak into your bloodstream, triggering inflammation that reaches your brain. The result? Neuroinflammation, the spark that sets off migraine pain. That's why improving gut health through probiotics, fiber, and hydration can reduce migraines dramatically. Number 2, hormonal fluctuations. Women are 3 times more likely to experience migraines than men, and estrogen is the key. When estrogen drops before menstruation, during menopause, or after childbirth, it affects serotonin and blood vessel tone, making the brain more vulnerable to pain. These are called hormonal migraines, and they often come with nausea, fatigue, and mood changes. Supporting hormonal balance naturally through magnesium-rich foods, consistent sleep, and stress control can make a world of difference. Number 3, stress and cortisol overload. When you live in constant fight or flight mode, your brain never truly rests. Chronic stress keeps cortisol levels high, constricting blood flow and depleting magnesium, 2 key triggers for migraines. Even a few minutes of daily deep breathing, prayer and meditation, or time in nature can lower cortisol and protect your brain from overload. Number 4, toxic load and nutrient deficiency. From plastics to preservatives, our modern world bombards us with chemicals our bodies were never designed to process. Your liver and lymph system try to clear them out, but when they can't keep up, inflammation builds up, and your brain feels it. Add to that nutrient deficiencies, especially magnesium, riboflavin, vitamin B2, and CoQ10, and your brain's energy factories. The mitochondria begin to fail. A migraine then becomes your body's SOS, a sign your cells are running on empty. Number 5, sleep deprivation. One of the biggest migraine triggers isn't food, it's fatigue. Deep sleep restores serotonin and calms inflammation. But even one restless night can tip the balance. Consistent bedtime, darkness, and gentle evening rituals can make your brain far more resilient. It's time to listen to our body then. So when your next migraine strikes, don't just silence it with painkillers. Pause and listen. Your body is not attacking you. It's protecting you. It's saying something is off. Please restore balance. Whether it's your hormones, your gut, your stress, or your sleep, each migraine is your body's cry for healing. And the good news is, healing is possible. Let's find out how. True migraine relief begins when you work with your body, not against it. Support your gut health with probiotics and whole foods. Nourish your brain with magnesium and B2. Protect your hormones by managing stress and honoring your sleep. Even small steps like hydration, sunlight, gentle exercise, prayer, and gratitude can bring profound change. And for added support, nutrients like magnesium, CoQ10, and adaptogenic herbs can help calm an overactive nervous system. You can find our recommended natural added support in the description below. Our final thoughts. Migraines aren't a curse, they're communication. So the next time that familiar ache appears, don't fear it, listen, because your body speaks the language of wisdom. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to get notified for more Did You Know Wellness insights. Take care of your body. It's the only home your soul has.